A very good afternoon, guys. How are you?
Good afternoon, good.
Myself Raj here from APC Pest Control. Today we are here to discuss about pest control activity in hotel. So, guys, tell me why pest control is very important in the hotels. Well, so today the same things regarding pest activity. We will discuss more on that. So, first is what is pest? You should know what is pest. Pest is nothing but anything which directly or indirectly affect the human nature or the human being is a pest. So why a pest control is very important in the hotels? Anybody? Yes, pest control. I think they have restaurants in the hotels, so people are coming there to have a food, right? Yes. So when they're having a food, if they see a pest, it's very bad in it, correct?
Yes.
So once you see the pest, the client will take the photos and they will upload in the social media, which is very bad. Apart from that, it's very bad for the human. It will cause a disease. Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
Yes. So you have to be very careful in the restaurant area, coffee shops, and the kitchen, of course. Why not? Kitchen area, you have to be very careful. That is a very sensitive area where you find the pest. Okay. Make sure your kitchen area is very clean and tidy. There are certain things you have to be very careful. Okay. Like anybody?
No.
First thing, make sure that dustbins in the kitchen area it's closed every time. Dustbin lid, I mean to say dustbin lid. Make sure it's closed every time, because what if it's open every time it's open, it will attract flies. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So make sure it's closed, and make sure it's very clean. In the bottom of the dustbin, you will find cockroach breeding. Why? Because it's dirty. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So make sure it's very clean. Make sure the lid of the dustbin is closed. Make sure it's clean especially in the sink area. In the washing areas, people are cleaning the washing utensils. Make sure it is closed. Make sure the water flows continuously. The water stagnant is there and it will attract a lot of flies. Yes or no?
Yes.
So make sure it continuously the flow is there. Okay. And this third thing is your store area. All the receivable goods, okay, garbage. Make sure it is kept in a place where it's clean. Okay. Before receiving the stuff, okay, like vegetables or other food stuff, make sure it's checked before check in. Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
See, most of the fruit flies, okay, it's come from the vegetables. If you take the vegetables and keep in the stores, okay, and the breeding starts there and it's multiply over next day on every day, okay. So make sure you notice such thing and inform your supervisor, so that they will come to us. A pest control team will come there and they will do the treatment. Correct?
Yes.
Yes. So apart from restaurants, kitchen, guest rooms, and the lobby area, and the garbage area, these are the important areas you have to look into. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So why basically pests attract to the hotels? They need three things: food, yes or no? Shelter, yes or no?
Yes.
And accessible entries. These three things are they attract. Okay, flies attract to your hotels.
So what we
these
need to do in terms if we found such a things?
Yeah,
as you can
see,
see.
this is not your cleaning staff cannot do anything on this.
But still,
only thing they should have an idea. They should have an idea from where they have an access. so that they inform to the housekeeping manager, their supervisor, or the engineering department, so that they will take an action and immediately they will react on it. Okay. So now see, some access you have to be very careful. See, it's all of the access. Make sure the exit door is closed. Make sure shutters, garbage shutters are open, closed, and all other accessible areas should be closed. Availability of food. Food is very important, not only for human being, of course for pest. Okay, for the food, you can see the images. See the images properly. This is photos belong to your properties itself, and so make sure there is no chance to to attract the flies because of food. Make sure it is clean every time. Availability of water. Make sure there is no stagnant water. Okay, make sure it's clean. Mostly you will find the stagnant water in the garden area. So whenever you guys cleaning the outside in the garden area, make sure the tap is off, or there is no stagnant water. If anything is there, just inform your supervisor and take necessary action, okay, to avoid further infestation. Shelter, of course, is a big property. So just to get an idea, these are the common pests you find in the hotels: cockroaches, lizards, mouse, bedbugs, ants, flies, mosquitoes, etc. Anything, guys, you have any questions, please let me know.